Boxer Manny Pacquiao is diagnosed with a congenital heart ailment. A PhilBoxing.com report says Pacquiao had himself examined for heart problems due to repeated difficulties in breathing on July 8, just a week before his bout with Argentine boxer Lucas Matthysse. Doctors at the Cardinal Santos Memorial Hospital in Manila told Pacquiao to call off the fight, but he refused and was made to sign a waiver. Pacquiao kept his condition a secret, limiting the knowledge of the diagnosis to select members of his inner circle. Pacquiao's future as a boxer is uncertain given this new information.